How thin can a smartphone get while still packing in all the features we've come to expect? Samsung seems ready to answer that question with the Galaxy S25 Edge. During their Galaxy Unpacked 2025 event in San Jose, Samsung ended the presentation with a surprise, a fourth model in the Galaxy S25 lineup. Officially named the Galaxy S25 Edge, this phone has also been called the Galaxy S25 Slim, and for good reason. We were at the event when Samsung made the big reveal. After showcasing the usual three models, the base S25, Plus, and Ultra, Samsung pulled out the Galaxy S25 Edge in a dramatic fashion. The device was showcased dangling from a hook alongside mock-ups of other Galaxy S devices. The message was clear. This phone's slim design is what sets it apart, but just how thin is the Galaxy S25 Edge? Surprisingly, Samsung hasn't revealed the exact dimensions yet. In fact, during the demo, the company displayed a disclaimer that the final design might still change before the phone officially launches. Even so, the demo unit shown at the event was noticeably thinner than any of the other mock-up devices on display. Photos from the event highlight just how sleek this phone is shaping up to be. Rumors suggest that the Galaxy S25 Edge measures 159mm tall, 76mm wide, and just 6.4mm thick. If these numbers are accurate, the Galaxy S25 Edge would become one of the slimmest rigid smartphones on the market. For comparison, it would even beat the Galaxy Z Flip 6 when unfolded, which measures 6.9mm in thickness. However, 6.4mm isn't quite enough to claim the title of Samsung's thinnest phone ever. That record belongs to the Galaxy A8, launched way back in 2015, with a jaw-dropping thickness of just 5.9mm. While the S25 Edge may not surpass that milestone, it's clear that Samsung is aiming to redefine slim smartphones for today's market. It's worth noting that Samsung hasn't confirmed whether the demo unit's thickness matches the rumored 6.4mm. The company's disclaimer during the event leaves room for changes, so we'll have to wait for the final version to know for sure. What is certain, however, is that the Galaxy S25 Edge will be thinner than the slimmest S25 model currently available, the base Galaxy S25, which measures 7.2mm. Samsung is clearly positioning the Galaxy S25 Edge as a premium device with a unique selling point. It's ultra-thin design, but will it be enough to capture the attention of smartphone enthusiasts? While thinness might not be the most critical feature for everyone, it's hard to deny that a sleek, lightweight phone has its appeal, especially for those who value portability and style. The Galaxy S25 Edge is more than just a concept. It's a statement from Samsung. By pushing the boundaries of how thin a smartphone can be, they're challenging the industry to innovate further. And while we don't yet know all the details about this device, the hype surrounding its design has already set high expectations. As we wait for more updates, one thing is certain: the Galaxy S25 Edge is shaping up to be one of the most exciting phones in Samsung's lineup. Have you ever wondered how some smartphones handle intense performance without heating up like a toaster? Samsung seems to have found the perfect solution with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the next big thing in their flagship lineup. Packed with jaw-dropping upgrades, it not only promises blazing speeds, but also addresses one of the most frustrating problems: overheating. At the core of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform for Galaxy, a custom chipset built exclusively for Samsung. This powerhouse delivers impressive upgrades with a central processing unit that's 37% faster, graphics that are 30% better, and neural processing unit that offers a hopping 40% improvement compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. These numbers are mind-blowing, but with great power often comes the dreaded heat problem. Snapdragon chips, especially high-performance ones, have gained a reputation for overheating. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Mobile is no exception, with reports of devices powered by this chip heating up under heavy use. Naturally, this raised concerns about whether Samsung's newest flagship would fall victim to the same issue. However, Samsung has come prepared with an innovative solution to keep those worries at bay. The Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts an upgraded heat dissipation system that could set a new standard in the industry. It features a 40% larger vapor chamber compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This chamber acts like a cooling engine, distributing heat more efficiently across the phone's internals. In addition, Samsung has integrated a new thermal interface material designed specifically for better heat management. This advanced material helps keep the device cool, even during intensive tasks like gaming or running A-based applications. A side-by-side comparison shared by the tech community on platforms like X, formerly Twitter, highlights just how significant this upgrade is. The vapor chamber inside the Galaxy S25 Ultra dwarfs the one found in the Galaxy S24 Ultra, offering reassurance that overheating will no longer be a concern. For users who demand peak performance without compromise, this improvement is a game changer. But why does this matter so much? Here's the deal. No matter how powerful a chipset is, it's only as good as its ability to stay cool under pressure. Heat not only affects performance, but can also reduce the lifespan of your phone. Many smartphones, including top-tier models like the Realme GT7 Pro, Honor Magic 7 Pro, and OnePlus 13, struggle with this issue, leading to throttling or even shutdowns during demanding tasks. Samsung's new cooling technology ensures that the Galaxy S25 Ultra maintains consistent speeds, even during long gaming sessions or multitasking marathons. This innovation, combined with the raw power of the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, gives the S25 Ultra a clear edge over its competitors. It's a perfect example of how hardware and software optimization work together to deliver a seamless experience. What's even more impressive is that Samsung has achieved this while making the phone more efficient overall. With a chip as powerful as the Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is an overclocked version of its standard model, overheating could have been a bigger issue. Did you know Samsung has finally brought back 16 gigabytes of RAM to its smartphones after a 5-year gap? The Galaxy S25 Ultra is the device to reintroduce this feature, but there's a catch. It's not as widely available as you might think, even in Samsung's home country, South Korea. This raises an important question. Why has Samsung made the top-tier variant so exclusive? To give you some context, the Galaxy S20 Ultra was Samsung's first smartphone to feature 16 gigabytes of RAM, a specification that wowed tech enthusiasts back in the day. However, Samsung moved away from offering this high level of memory in its flagship devices for several years. Now, the Galaxy S25 Ultra brings it back, but with limited availability. Even in South Korea, this top-tier variant, which combines 16 gigabytes of RAM with 1 terabyte of internal storage, is available exclusively through Samsung's official website. To make it even more unique, it comes only in the titanium jet black color. This exclusivity certainly adds an air of luxury, but it also makes it harder for most consumers to get their hands on. Let's dive deeper into the details of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung announced that pre-orders for the Galaxy S25 series in South Korea will remain open until February 3, with the official release date set for February 7. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is available in 4 configurations, starting with 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. This base variant is priced at 1,698,400 Korean won, which is approximately $1,187. The next variant, featuring 12 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage, costs 1,841,400 Korean won, or about $1,287. Moving up, the 12 gigabytes RAM version with 1 terabyte of storage comes in at 2,127,400 Korean won, around $1,487. Finally, the exclusive 16 gigabytes RAM with 1 terabyte storage option is priced at 2,249,500 Korean won, or roughly $1,572. The color options for the Galaxy S25 Ultra are as striking as its specifications. Standard colors include titanium black, titanium gray, titanium silver blue, and titanium white silver. However, if you're eyeing the premium 16 gigabytes RAM variant, it's only available in the titanium jet black finish, further emphasizing its exclusivity. For those who find the Ultra model a bit over the top, Samsung offers more accessible options with the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus. These devices come in 12 gigabytes of RAM configurations paired with either 256 gigabytes or 512 gigabytes of internal storage. The Galaxy S25 starts at 1,353,000 Korean won, or about $945, while the Galaxy S25 Plus begins at 1,155,000 Korean won, approximately $807.